Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Dev and welcome back in Pattern. So guys, today I am going to show you how we can create a ripple effect in Blender. So let's get started. Start this video, and before starting, if you didn't subscribe my channel, you can subscribe it, and you can also press the bell icon so you can get notifications of our latest videos. Okay, so let's start this video. And for creating the ripple effect, let me create a plane. Okay, and switch to the edit mode, and we will subdivide it. Okay, from here we can also divide. Okay, so we had divided, make some subdivisions. Okay, now what we will do, select your plane, go to the modifier, add a modifier of dynamic paint. Then under the type we will choose the canvas. Okay, and add a canvas, and surface type we will choose waves. Okay, now this will be a water surface, and we will create a object. Okay, so this object, when this object touch this surface, it will react. Okay, it will create waves. So let me add subdivisions, make it smooth. Now then again we go to the modifier and select dynamic paint, and under the dynamic paint we choose the type brush and add brush. Okay, so we had done. Let me show you. Okay, so like this. Guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.